When I look at the cosine of S, we can see that's 12/13. It's just my voice. If you guys want pictures too, I'll work on getting pictures. So now I've got a problem. I've filled in two of them. I know that the sine of R is 4/5. I know the cosine of S is 12/13. They did not give me the sine of S. So I'm going to guess that somewhere over here, if I was clever, I would be able to find the sine of S. And I can do that because I know that the cosine squared and sine squared equals 1. So if I wanted to find So let's pick one of these. Let's do the R. So I could put in the cosine of R, and then the other one would be 4/5 that's squared. So I think when you square it, you're not going to get a fifth out of that. So if I wanted to solve a problem like that, what's 4 times 4? That squared applies to both the 4 and the 5. So can you get the 16 and the 25 out of it okay? And so that would equal I think I need to have common denominators. So this guy would become 25, 25. Take away 16 divided by 25. They're both over the same denominator now. So if I have 25 of them and I take away 16, I hope it's not 19. Maybe 9. Actually, that's an R. How do I make the squared go away?
Square root it.
Now, I think when I do that there's two possibilities. I think when you take a square root, you always get a positive or a negative answer. If you look up toward the top, we know that R is between 0 and 90 degrees, so we're in quadrant 1. So the one that I want is the 3/5. Does that look like enough like a choose to make sense to you? back up here.
Um,
This guy is 3/5. And I'm going to make this go away in a second, so let me know when you get that written down.
go back to the top.
Yep.
Why is it 3/5?
Because right here, I took the square root. The square root of 9 is 3. Square root of 25 is 5. It's either a positive or a negative. And I'm choosing the positive because they told me that I'm in quadrant 1 between 0 degrees and 90 degrees, which is the positive quadrant for cosine.
Do you have to take the square root every
Yes.
single time?
You'll be taking the square root